Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 147. Turning to the accounts for the year now under review, I think you will agree with me that we have done exceedingly well. On the credit side of the trading account, you will find that the business done shows an increase of £20,000. On the other side, we show an increase of working expenses, but the increase is not heavy and furnishes us with an example of the fact that the better the business we do, the lower is the ratio of expenses. On the assets side of the balance sheet, the property account item is the same as before, while the cash shows an increase of £1,200. On the liabilities side of the balance sheet, the cost of renovation has been charged to the reserve account, and I think you will quite agree with this. Our dividends for the past 5 years have averaged 10% per annum. Early in the coming year, there will be a special meeting to discuss the matter of further developments, and I take the liberty of urging all to be present. In the meantime, I trust we shall continue to prosper so that we may have a substantial increase in our profits. Full stop.